we'll be working the Jade split. This is the third part of the series. In this video, we'll be working on the Jade split. First, let's take a look at the full sequence and then at the part we are working on. From the split Anastasia, we're gonna get into a Jade split, a no-hand Jade split. We were down. I'm gonna bring back my knee, back into my starfish, and I'm gonna start sliding my hand down on the pole, catching my ankle, either on the top or on the bottom, what feels the best for you. And now, I'm gonna straddle. From the straddle, I'm gonna start lengthening my outside leg, squeezing my glute, pressing down with this foot, pressing down, and to remove my bottom hand, I'm just sliding it down until I'm finding my balance. Here you go, you can remove one hand. You can remove the other hand. It's all your core, your muscle activation in your core. This is my outside leg, the leg that is going back. I really need to activate very hard that glute to start tilting my pelvis. And I want to imagine that foot to be so heavy that it's pressing away and down. This is very important. That will change everything in your Jade split. The other leg, think about straightening your knee. Okay, no soft knee. And you can pull it towards you. I like that grip to pull it towards me, or you can grab like this and pull it towards the middle. It's either or, what feels the best for you. If I keep my foot lateral, this is where it goes. If I open it, I'm gonna gain a lot of space. Just look at it. So lateral, and now I open it. This was a little trick for the Jade split in your core. So muscle activation in your glutes, your abs. My bottom hand. When I feel that I'm ready, I'm steady in my legs, because you need to find a balance in your leg. If you pull your front leg toward your face, you need to activate the glutes to push your back leg towards the floor. It's really all in your muscle activation. Once you find a bit the balance, the trick to don't lose it, what I'm doing is that I'm sliding, slowly sliding my hands along the pole until it comes off. And this way, I know I have my balance. So let's see it again. Coming into my starfish, grabbing my leg, straightening my knee and pressing my leg towards me, straddle. Now, pressing this leg down, look at my bottom hand, I'm sliding it. Here you go. I hope you have fun working on your Jade split. So please subscribe to the channel, give a like, leave a comment, and hit that little bell to be notified of the next video. Thanks for watching.